Let's begin in the warm Caribbean waters off the coast of Belize. Here lies a circular chasm in the ocean that seems almost too perfect to be natural. The Great Blue Hole. Spanning over 1,000 feet wide and plunging more than 400 feet deep, this enormous sinkhole is a diver's dream and a scientist's mystery. But how did such a massive hole form? Once upon a time, this wasn't an underwater wonder. It was a limestone cave system, part of the ancient world above sea level. But as sea levels rose at the end of the last ice age, water flooded the cave, causing the roof to collapse and leaving behind a gaping vertical abyss. As divers descend into its crystalline blue layers, something eerie happens. Light fades, silence grows, and strange geological formations begin to appear. Stalactites, giant, sharp mineral spikes, and still cling to the walls deep below. Proof that this was once a dry space. These formations only grow in air, meaning this cave existed long before it became a sinkhole. At about 50 feet down, something extraordinary appears. A shimmering layer in the water, almost like an invisible barrier. This isn't a trick of the light, it's a halocline, where salt water from the ocean meets fresh water trapped below. Cross this line and everything changes. Visibility, buoyancy, and sometimes your sense of direction. Diving further becomes dangerous. Some divers have gone missing, lost in the tight, winding passages that branch off from the main shaft. Others return with stories of unsettling stillness, a kind of sacred quiet that feels both ancient and unknown. Even famed explorer Jacques Cousteau called it one of the top diving sites on Earth. And still, the Great Blue Hole guards its secrets. Now let's shift to another natural wonder, but this one is hidden not beneath the sea, but within the Amazon rainforest. It's known as Chanay Timpishka, but many call it the Boiling River. According to Amazonian legend, this river was feared as a sacred place of spirits. They said the water was so hot it could boil anything alive. And they weren't wrong. Measuring over 4 miles long, this river reaches temperatures of up to 200 degrees, 93 degrees, almost the boiling point of water. Yet it isn't near any known volcano or geothermal vent. So what's heating it? Scientists believe water from faraway mountains seeps deep into the Earth's crust, where it's superheated and then forced back to the surface through fault lines, creating a river that literally cooks its surroundings. Researchers have found dead animals, like frogs and birds, that accidentally fell in. Their bodies cooked from the inside out within minutes. The river is so hot and steamy, it creates its own misty microclimate, a mysterious, foggy world in the middle of the jungle. What makes it even more incredible is that this boiling river was virtually unknown to the outside world until recently. Its existence had been passed down through generations of local shamans and tribal elders, people who had protected the sacred site from intrusion. And once again, this earthly anomaly gives us insight into what life might be like on other worlds. Imagine an alien planet with subsurface rivers heated by internal energy. If life can exist near boiling water here, in sulfur-rich caves and acidic rivers, could it not also thrive in the oceans of Europa, Titan, or Enceladus? These Earth mysteries are more than just local legends. They're analogues for what we might one day find in deep space. From the cold, dark bottom of the Great Blue Hole to the scorching waters of the Amazon, our planet is home to environments that defy logic and continually challenge our understanding of life, time, and geology. They remind us that we haven't even fully explored our own world, let alone the universe. And maybe that's the biggest mystery of all, how much we still don't know.